Welcome everyone, it's Sherry Carroll for Simon Says Stamp with the reveal and inspiration for our latest card kit for December 2023. This kit and 6x8 stamp set is called Making Spirits Bright, and the stamp set features some really beautiful large images. We have a tree, several snowflakes. Also, we have a couple of really large messages, and on the side some really fine printed messages that you can use to add to your cards. There are also some small greetings, a frame corner to make a beautiful card all together for the holidays. We have a beautiful embossing folder for you called the Verdant Ornaments, and it creates a 3D impression of ornaments with leaves inside and also some snow and stars around the outside. Embossing folders are really easy to use. You just slide your paper inside and run it through your die cut machine. Another item in this kit is the fancy holiday cheer die. It is a two-piece die that cuts out the holiday cheer and also the outside shadow. Also in this kit is the Simon Says Stamp glue stick, and this is a really great glue for adhering your papers together, and it has a nice tight-fitting lid to keep it from drying out. We're also including a set of adhesive pearls, and these are from Craft Consortium, the Little Robin Redbreast collection. They have some really nice traditional Christmas colors, as well as some yellows and pinks for a variety of choices. You'll also receive a package of the Tim Holtz Christmas layer frames, which includes 4 of the larger size, 4 medium size, and 4 small size. These are great for creating some nice collage pieces onto your cards. And to go with your frames, you'll also receive the Tim Holtz Ideology sticker book, and there are many pages of different sayings that you can add to your cards. There are also some sheets with like a ribbon type border and colored messages. There are 424 stickers included for a variety of designs. We have a beautiful set of papers for you. These are from Simple Stories. It's their Vintage Dear Santa collection. They are 6x8 and double-sided. They are traditional Christmas colors with the greens and reds and have a collage style. There are some sheets that feature a illustrated Santa along with some collage backgrounds. There is music, also some pieces that you can cut apart or just put together on a card front. Some sheets are a full design, which are great for backgrounds along with your stamped images. And remember, with 6x8 papers, you can cut them in half and get 2 cards out of each. A sheet like this, you can cut up many of those elements and do some collaging, and then you have some cute measurements in black and white on the back. There's another illustrated Santa on ledger paper, and also a black sheet, and a plaid with a really large Christmas greeting and red and white snowflakes. These sheets are great for cutting apart and using with your Tim Holtz Christmas layering frames. So once again, you get 12 sheets, 6x8, double-sided papers from Craft Consortium. You'll also receive 2 of the Simon Says Stamp envelopes. One is Schoolhouse Red and the other is Metallic Ivory. And they both have the No Lick'em to Stick'em Peel Away adhesive. For our cardstocks, you'll receive a half sheet of the Simon Says Stamp Holographic Red. This has a beautiful model design and is perfect for die cutting. And finally, we're including 3 of the Simon Says Stamp 100-pound cardstock in Midnight Green, Schoolhouse Red, and Ivory. And that's it for the reveal. Up next, I have some inspiration for you from our designers. Susie Plantamera created this beautiful masterpiece by using some of the papers along with the stamped snowflake and collaged everything together on a red background. Joe Sisaveth used the embossing folder on the holographic paper, also added a gold frame and gold cutout message to top it off. And finally, Nina Trapani used the Santa paper along with the frame filled with some mica flakes for a shaker card. I hope you've enjoyed the reveal and some inspiration from our latest card kit, Making Spirits Bright. Be sure to check the links below for how to purchase this kit, along with a link to our blog post for additional inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.